What's up, you guys? Today I have such a special treat for you. I'm going to be doing this look right here, but my husband Chris is going to be commentating. He is a Marine, he is a motorcycle enthusiast, he is a gun enthusiast, so his knowledge of makeup, I don't really know. I'm actually kind of curious myself to see what he's going to say. Make sure to like, subscribe, share. As always, leave me a comment, leave Chris a comment, let him know how he did. And without further ado, let's get into this.
Alright, so where do we start? This stuff, I think it's called primer. Yep, you gotta put the primer down before you put the paint on. Everybody knows that. Yep, like so. And rub it all in, make sure you get everything covered up. Just like this. Yep, that's how it goes. Yep, looks good. Make a funny face, that way everybody laughs. Next, we got our, I believe it's called foundation. I think that's what they call it these days. Make a bunch of dots on our face. Make sure you get the tip of the nose, because nobody likes their nose. Yep, cover everything up. Then we get our little marshmallow peep that you get around Easter time, and you dot everything, you cover everything up. Any little imperfections, yep, cover everything up, just like that. Yep, don't get it in the hair. Nobody likes makeup in the hair. Get it all in our eyes, that way it can bother our contacts. Yep, see the difference? Yep, it's working. It's expensive enough, it better work. Yep, just like that. Yep, get the neck, make sure you get all around the neckline. Under the eyes, don't bleed your mouth, it tastes pretty bad. Yep. I forget what this stuff's called, but we're going to use it anyway. I think we're going to put it, about a dot right there, dot under the eyes. There you go, run it down the tip of the nose, put our Indian war paint on. Yep, draw us a little arrow right there. Perfect, just like that. Should just walk outside like this, because maybe everybody will be scared. I'll scare all the little kids away. Make sure you blend everything in. That's a good word I think they use in the makeup industry. Blend, right? Yep, that's a good one. Again, don't get it in your eyes. It won't be good for the contacts. Yep, dot everything. Take a look in the mirror, make sure everything's covered. Yep. Yeah, well, this is kind of the boring part. You got to set up the foundation, get everything covered up before we get to the good stuff. And let's see, what do we got next? We got this stuff. This looks really expensive. Let's use this. Let's see, what color we got? It's really hard to open. Uh-oh, might have just spilled some. Whoa, yep. Just spilled some. Just wasted a bunch of money just then. Let's get a big old feathery brush, make a mess that we get to clean up later. And powder the whole face. Yep, cover everything up. I feel like that's what you do the whole time you put makeup on it, right? Just cover everything up. Yep, already pretty enough, just like we are. And next, let's see here. What do we got? We got this. This looks expensive, also. I think. Got a bunch of neutral looking colors in it. Got another brush. And get the forehead. Yep, just like that. And got to get the cheeks. Got to have nice, rosy, high cheekbones. Get under the neck. Accentuate the jawline. Make our jaw look better than what it actually could be. Yep, just like that. Get the other cheek. Make everything look symmetrical. Yep, get the other side. Just like that. Yep, get the other side. Perfect. Just like that. Blend everything down. And there we go with that. Let's see. Get the tip of the nose. There we go. Because again, nobody likes the shape of their nose. And get the little tip. Yep. Well, we don't look like Rudolph. Up next, we got this big yellow palette. It looks fancy. There we go. I think I remember when I bought this. It's got some neutral looking colors. I think a shimmer color. I believe that's what it's called again. Yep. Yep. Get the cheek. Put a little sparkle on the cheek. Perfect. Perfect. Yep. Yep. And let's break out another brush. Let's get another kind of skin color looking stuff. Yeah. It doesn't look like a whole lot of different. A little shimmery. Little tip of the nose, top of the lip, below the lip. Put it on the other cheek. Get a little glowy in here. Doesn't really change the whole look a whole lot. Yep, down the nose. There we go. Like so. I believe that's good. Yep, right there. That's good. That'll work. And we got a really colorful one here. I love this one. Yep, got a bunch of different colors. Look at that. We got some purple. What? We're going to use this other skin color one now. Yep, let's see. What brush we want to use for this. A little tiny one, yeah. Let's use this tiny one. Let's put some skin color stuff on the outside of our eyes. Make it look a little darker than what they really are. Blend it all in. Make it look like it's actually natural. Yep, don't look much different. There we go. Just like that. Do some little rainbow motions. Yep. Blend it in on just the outside. More rainbow motions. And it looks about the same still. There we go. Let's use this other lighter color skin color stuff. Yep, right there. Get the crease of the eye. And there we go. Looks like we kind of got in a fight. There we go. That's the look we're going for though. A little orangish looking colored. Make it look a little more tan than what we really are. Perfect. Yep, get a little more. There we go. And we're almost done with the eyes. I think we got one more little color I think we're going to put on here. Yep, gotta make both sides look even. Yep, just like that. Yep, perfect. Yep, there we go. All right, let's see what's next. Let's see. Yep, oh, got some darker skin color stuff. I'm going to use this tiny little pink brush. Tiny little thing. Look at that. There we go. I gotta dot it on. Gotta make it all blend together. Make it look like it's all natural. Yep, just like that. Now, we're gonna make sure we blend this out. Because we can't have just big dots on our eyes. Then we look like a big clown, right? Yep. There we go. I had to get some more there. I wasn't doing crap the first time. There we go. Yeah. Just like that. Yep. Perfect. Alright, and we'll start on the lower eyes, I believe. Let's get this, yep, go back to this color I was using before. Yep, keep going with that. Let's just get orange all the way around the eyes. Yep. And get the other side. Right there, that'll work. Yep, dramatic look in the mirror. Make sure we look good. That's right. Let's go to this green color. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Now we're talking. Get a little on your finger. There we go. Oh, sorry. I did not mean to do that. Except towards my husband. Oh. Let's do a finger because we don't need brushes when we do this. Actually, it turned out just as good. I should just stop wasting money on all these brushes. Yeah, we can just use our finger. God gave it to us. We can do it just like that. Oh, yeah, we really like this one. This is a good one. Yep. Don't poke yourself in the eye, though. That won't feel very good. There, let's cover up all the orange that we just got through putting on earlier. We could have just went green in the first place. There we go. Yeah. Oh, we got some on the eyelash. We'll get that later, though. Don't worry about that. Yeah, make sure you cover up all the orange on this side because all the work we did just a minute ago, you really didn't need to do in the first place. There. Blend it together, though. No creases, no lines. Yep, let's get all that. Let's cover it. Yep, there. Perfect. Let's see. Next, let's go back to our brush that was used a minute ago. Blend everything together. Back to our rainbow motions. Yep. Now let's cover up the green that we just got through blending in. So we go back to orange. We may go back to green here in just a few minutes. Alright. Make sure everything looks symmetrical on both sides. Perfect. Yep. Looks good. Alright. Now we got to get probably under the eyes. We haven't done that yet. We should do that. No, not that one. Yeah, let's use this natural skin color one. Yeah. There we go. Under the eyes. You got to make the bottom of the eyes pop, because if those don't, then everything's just ruined. Yep. That looks good. It's not really doing much at all. Let's go back to this like we were using before. Yeah, let's use this glittery stuff again, because if you ain't using glitter, then, well, you don't just look fierce at all then. And that's right. We got to go for the fierce look. And let's see. Put some glitter up above the eyes. Got to make the eyebrows stand out just a little bit. As long as they're nice and trimmed up. If they're all bushy, then, well, nobody wants to see those. But mine look good. Oh my word. What are these things? Yep. I think we're going to pull our eyeballs out with this thing. Oh. Okay, we've got to curl the eyelashes. There we go. Tick tock. There we go. Perfect. Oh. And get the other side. Because we'd look real ridiculous if we had one curly eyelash and one straight eyelashes. Oh. That looked like it hurt. Alright, let's use this stuff. I think this is the... I don't know what brand it is, but it's probably expensive. And mascara. There we go. Yeah. Now we can curl our eyelashes, because the tool we just used a minute ago to about jab our eyes out wasn't good enough. Got to make them look better than what they really are. There we go. Perfect. Yep. And there we go. Do our little side-to-side motions, maybe, that I've seen before. Nope. That's good. Good enough without it. And let's get this green out of this other side of our eyelashes. There we go. Just black them out. There's a little side-to-side. There we go. Yeah, make sure it gets all in there and nice and thick like. Yeah, that's about right. We got to be done with our eyes here pretty soon, because we're normally really fast doing our makeup, but at least that's what the husband says. Yep. Oh yeah, we got it. Get the lower ones that are basically non-existent on everybody, so, I mean, I don't even know why we have those. Those are really useless. Yeah, see? Told you. Yep. If you got lower eyelashes, you are genetically gifted. Oh, yeah. I think it's time for some lips. Maybe. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Look at that fella back there. Always taking up my husband's side of the bed. Always up his butt while he's asleep. Because he actually likes my husband way more than he does me. Alright, let's get this stuff. It's going to go on our lips. Going to make them look nice and plump. There we go. It's like liquid lipstick almost. I think that's perfect. Yep. Get nice, fat looking lips, because everybody's lips wants to look like Kylie's, right? I think that's who everybody wants to look like these days. Nice flat color, not too much shine. Yeah. Pouty face, because that's a must. Yep, about time to let the hair down. Perfect. Roll Tide.